Tooth jewelry is something that has popped up in the TikTok crowd, in the fashion people, the rappers, people that want to add grills and little diamonds and onto their teeth. And it's something that has come through generations. And all the things that they do to teeth over the generations have got one thing in common, that they do harm to the tooth. So yes, you can have tooth jewelry, you can like it, you can do whatever you do with it. The important thing is when a dentist does that for you, there should be no harm done to the tooth. So if you want to put a little thing on there that's going to make a difference, yes, in the short term, it would look nice and everything, but make sure that it's completely reversible, that you don't have damage to your tooth. A lot of these things, if you put a little diamond or something on your tooth, puts pressure on the lip, or the lip puts pressure on the diamond and actually pushes your tooth back, and you end up being ugly. So discuss it with a good dentist before you do anything to your teeth.
Your dentist, your choice.